This morning we are going to start out with some mechanicking. So in the last video I was talking about how my unload auger engages super quick. So this morning we went to John Deere and picked up the part to fix that. So I think we are going to fix that this morning. Also, it probably wouldn't hurt to sling some grease on the combine and maybe the sickle and reel. It's also been cloudy this morning, so I doubt we're going to get an early start or even a start at all today because they said thunderstorms. They moved it up to 1 o'clock today. But I'm going to finish packing my lunch because you never know how long you're going to be out in the field. And then we'll get today started. It's currently sprinkling outside, so that's great. Clouds don't look too good either. It is starting to rain rather than sprinkle. Oh boy. That was an easy fix. Now we gotta get to greasing. So it stopped sprinkling. It was more of a heavy sprinkle there for a little bit. While I was sprinkling, I did grease the combine. Although this camera is not waterproof, so I did not get to video that. But my combine, I think Lane is still pumping diesel in that combine. Mom's combine is ready. I think Mom attempted to wipe down the windows, but it was already sprinkling, so I'm sure the next time when we are out here I'm gonna have to Windex them rather than wipe them off. So Mother Nature wins again today, I guess. I guess I will see y'all whenever we're able to cut. It is the next day. It kind of did the same thing this morning that it did when we were servicing. It kind of like misted for a little bit. Or at least at the campers it did. I don't know if it did out here, but it's still, I mean, it's just so sticky and humid out here. We're kind of having doubts that it's gonna work, but you know, we're gonna try it anyways. I guess one good thing is I brought a pack of waters to put in the fridge. Let's see if it'll fit in here. Perfect. That way I don't have to go get waters every single morning. There you go. Well, I'm gonna let the computer boot up for a little bit, which is gonna take a while, and then we'll go cut a sample. So the moisture on the combine was saying like 16, but again, we don't know if it's right, so we're gonna take a sample in. Well, the moisture was 14.9, so no cutting today, which is kind of sad. Guess what today is? Today marks my YouTube channel's first birthday. Exactly 1 year ago today, I posted my very first intro / first day of wheat harvest video on YouTube. So that's honestly pretty crazy that I've been doing this for 1 year now. I did make a post on the community tab, so y'all should go read that. Also, there's throwback pictures of the very first year that we started custom harvesting, which is in 2013. So if you want to look at some throwback pictures of us harvesting in 2013 with a 9600 and a 930 auger header, it's just pictures, it's not videos, but Y'all can go back and look at that on the community tab. If I can link it in the description, I will, but if it's not there, then I couldn't link it. It is 11:20. I think Mom and Dad wanted to try it around lunchtime and stay out there until it does. Also today, my girlfriend is coming to visit for the weekend. She visited last weekend for my birthday, but we weren't cutting, so I couldn't record anything. I'm hoping to do a video of teaching her how to run the combine. She's only ridden in the combine maybe once or twice, so. But anyways, now that that's out of the way, I'm going to pack my lunch, go out to the field, and hopefully start cutting, and then Tessa will show up. That bell is really annoying. I don't know why it does that. They're all new belts. High 14s, low 15s, so I guess we're going to run a sample and see what the actual moisture is. Well, the samples went in at 14.4, 14.1, and then 14.1 again, so we're gonna give it an hour or so and then try it again.
You get up there by yourself?
Yeah. Dad just cut a sample. I didn't record it, but it went in at 12.9, which is good. So I think we're gonna start maybe knocking some trucks out here. Who is it? What's up, girlfriend?
Hey. Recording it.
Finish that field. We're going to the next one, which is right there. So, not that big of a move. So I just let Tessa out, and she's going to try to take some pictures for me, like thumbnails and stuff. Meanwhile, Dibs and I, we're just gonna chill in the combine, go back and forth. So we've made a couple of passes up and down the field so far. It's half a mile from one side of the circle all the way to the other. Not that Tessa's been running up and down it, but she's been running side to side because Mom and I kind of split up for a little bit. Poor girl is gonna run her heart out. And most people might not think, you know, taking pictures of tractors, like, okay, it's going, like right now I'm going 3 miles an hour. Like, how hard is it to take pictures of tractors? I can promise you, trying to take pictures of farm machinery will get you the best workout ever. Y'all can go back on my YouTube shorts or even my Instagram reels or TikToks. I recorded us spraying our wheat, and let me tell you, that is a workout that I will never forget. And it was small. It was like 10 acres, and I was out of breath.
Oh my god!
Well, how was it? It was pretty humid up there. Oh, you don't want my water?
No.
What's wrong with my water?
It's strong.
Well, do you think you got any good pictures?
I hope so, because I didn't look.
Yeah, those are actually pretty good.
Oh. These are little. This is when I started getting kind of tired. I was trying to get the wheat like you wanted, but it was so hard because I couldn't get it to focus on like.
Well, I focused on the combine and then dipped the camera down in the wheat. Kind of like that one. That one's pretty cool. Someone lost the light game. I'm trying to teach Tessa how to run the combine. I'm quizzing her. Whoa.
Oh my gosh! Wait, do it
That was
again.
lightning. You drive to the field and you're right in front of the wheat and you're at high idle because you just drove over here. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What?
Oh my god! Let's go this way.
Separator?
Right?
Wrong. No. No, you do not hit your separator first. You have to idle down. And then hit your separator.
Okay, so I click this one.
Yes, you're idle down.
Idle down. And then I would turn my separator off.
Yes.
And then my header.
Yes.
Okay. And then I wait, right? This is where I'm patient.
Well, separator, wait a little bit. Header, wait a little bit. And then high idle.
That's where I have to,
Yeah, you don't just want to cram your separator in and then your header at the exact same time and then do it high idle all in like half a second. That's a lot of moving parts to just be started up like that.
I would get kind of even with the line. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it can't be 90 degrees. It can't be
Yeah.
Okay. So then I would click auto steer. One, no, two, no, shoot. I would click auto steer.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like this.
Okay, let's just say you're cutting, right? And then you come to the end of the field. What do you do like when you're done with the end of the field? What's your process? Just think in
One.
reverse.
One.
Yeah.
And then does clicking 1 turn off the header? Or is it still moving?
No, your number 1 is just your header height. It's not your header
Okay,
engaged.
so then I would.
So you'd hit 1. You'd let your header clear out and your feeder house clear out. Then you would turn off your header. You're still at high idle. You can turn off your header at high idle. Same with your separator. You can turn that off at high idle also. You just can't turn them on at high idle. Yeah.
This one.
Idle down.
And then separator.
Separator. Here, start up. Wait a little bit. Better.
A little bumpy. Okay. I got this on video. I'm gonna rewatch this.
Well, the moisture was getting up to about 13.2 and the shut off is 13.5, so we had to pull the plug. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.